So let's talk about pump and dump today, and it's been there in news since quite a long time, making headlines. Investors have lost a lot of money because of this scam, but not everyone knows what exactly is pump and dump. So pump and dump is basically an illegal act where an investor, group of investors, they try and inflate a stock price, not because of false information, false recommendation, misleading information, exaggerated statements. What they do is they try and create the scenario where the stock prices can go up, and when the stock prices rise, the operator, they sell the stock, thereby earning a lot of profit for themselves. A lot of time investors fall prey to these kind of scams because everyone wants to make quick money, easy money, and they also a lot of time depend on the kind of recommendations that are being offered for these particular stocks or on these platforms. Talking about platform, now where exactly is pump and dump or these kind of scams are really common? On social media platforms, which also includes your favorite Telegram and YouTube. So what exactly an investor needs to do? First of all, do your good research. A lot of time investors fall prey to these misleading information or false recommendation because they don't do their homework on their own. They do not study on their own. You have to do it because it's your hard-earned money, end of the day. Also, whoever is recommending you this particular stock, always do a background check. Just make sure, if nothing else, just make sure that these people are SEBI registered advisors, and only then you can trust them. And also, when there are back-to-back recommendations or exaggerated statements made, which you might think can be a red flag, always go back and check the kind of claims that are being made for particular stock. Also notice the stock movement. If you see some very unusual stock movement, which is especially upwards, this itself can be a red flag for the investors who have put their money in their particular stock to go back and just check and do their own homework, or at least cross check and verify the kind of information which has led to the spike in a particular stock. So pump and dump is basically a very common activity. It is illegal, and SEBI has been very active in controlling these kind of illegal operations and scams, but investors also need to be aware.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.